Hello and welcome to Tech channel. Today is short review about this Edifice Casio watch. This is the box, and let's open the box. There are instructions, paperwork, manual, everything is here, and this is the watch. It has nice black dial with green accents, and this model is called Waveceptor. Allows this watch to synchronize with atomic time, and it keeps very precise time. Let's take it out. So again, black dial with the minute, hour and second hands. It has several modes and 4 buttons to control these modes. There are 4 modes: a timekeeping mode, a chronograph mode, the world time mode, and alarm clock. It has nice stainless steel case, iron plated, black, the same for bracelet, and there is clasp with Casio logo. There are engravings on the back showing different functions for different buttons. And let's go quickly through modes available in this watch. First mode is timekeeping. This is in timekeeping mode now. It shows time. It has 3 subdials. This subdial is mode subdial. This is the world time subdial. And this is the presentation of time in 24 hours format. This is the mode button. If I push this button, it will change mode, and I will go to chronograph mode now. Now I can start the chronograph by using this button, and it starts to move different hands with different speed. So this hand shown to 1/1000th of a second, and this whole circle is 1 second, I think, and there are seconds also there, and minutes also. Another hand, another small hand there is showing minutes. So it continues. It stopped after 1 minute of working, and now it continues to measure the time. I can stop it, and I can continue. And I will stop it, and I can reset it to original position. Now going to world time mode. Adjust the time mode. This second hand pointed to the city which I choose to be my home city. And you can select from different number of cities worldwide. Next mode is alarm mode. In this mode you can change time for alarm clock, and you can set that time. And I will go back to timekeeping mode, and it's just picking where it was left for seconds and returning to original positions for world time, and continues showing the time. Very nice watch, pretty much unusual. It's Casio Waveceptor Edifice. It also has illuminated hands and time indexes. Okay, and this is all for this video. If you like video, please give me likes, subscribe to channel, leave comments, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye now.